Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to shadow text in Microsoft Word. So let's started. At first, open your Word document file. In this video, I will show that shadow text. Now, going to the Word document. Now, text from the write to text. Then select from the text. Now going to the insert menu option. Now for click, then click on the word art option. Then choose text, font size. Then now click on the text effect option. Now click on the shadow option. Then choose a shadow. That's it. Then I show shadow text in Microsoft Word document is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.